All right, guys. So this problem is our grand finale. But we have a lighthouse that is on top of a cliff overlooking an ocean. And so, again, we've got some of Mrs. Bunting's fancy artwork here. I drew my lighthouse to kind of look like Cape Hatteras. My family got to go there on vacation several years ago and went up in that lighthouse. And I have a lovely little bird down there on the ground. And so the problem says that the bird is 80 feet away from the base of the cliff. So from the base of the cliff, the bottom, out where the bird is standing, that is 80 feet. And so then it says if the bird looks to the top of the cliff, there's a 19-degree angle of elevation. And then if the bird looks to the top of the lighthouse, there's a 30-degree angle of elevation. So we have two triangles to look at. We have a triangle where the cliff is that opposite side, and then we have a triangle where the lighthouse and the cliff together are the opposite side. So first let's look at finding the height of the cliff. Okay, so just focus on that smaller triangle there, the shorter triangle that has X as the opposite side. So we're working with the opposite and the adjacent. Opposite and adjacent go with tangent. So the tangent of 19 is X over 80. And so to find X, we do 80 times the tangent of 19, which gives us 27.5. That is the height of the cliff. Then if we look at that taller triangle that goes all the way to the top of the lighthouse, that includes the lighthouse and the cliff's height all together, but the angle that the bird would have to look up to see the top of the lighthouse would be 30 degrees. So now we're going to use tangent of 30 equals y over 80. And so again, do 80 times tangent of 30, and that's going to give you 46.2. So the distance to the very top of the lighthouse is 46.2. The distance to the top of the cliff is 27.5. So if we want to figure out the height of the lighthouse, we're going to do the total height, which is 46.2, and then we're going to subtract the height of the cliff off of that, and what is left is the lighthouse, and that's 18.7, which is your final answer.